For this infinite limit, we're going to go through and apply a combination of limit laws using the ones for addition and multiplication and for the squeeze theorem, which is actually kind of a neat little application here. So the first thing we want to do is to take our sine function and bound it between the two numbers we know that it lives between, namely positive 1 and negative 1. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to build the rest of this function. So we're going to go in and add a 3x to both sides. So negative 1 plus 3x is less than or equal to 3x plus the sine of x, less than or equal to 1 plus 3x. And then we'll divide the entire equation through by 2x. And this is a positive infinity, so therefore we don't have to worry about reversing directions of inequalities. So now what we'll do is we will go through and divide the left and the right inequality terms by x, the highest power of our denominator. So we're going to have a negative 1 over x plus 3x over x divided by 2x over x. We still have our quantity in the middle, 3x plus sine of x divided by 2x. And then once again on this side, we'll take our 1 divided by x, our 3x divided by x, and our 2x divided by x. And we will simplify those down. And simplifying those down, we're going to have negative 1 over x plus 3 divided by 2 less than or equal to 3x plus the sine of x divided by 2x less than or equal to 1 over x plus 3 divided by 2. And then just like other squeeze theorem problems, we're going to take the limit as x goes to infinity of all three parts of this inequality. So we're going to have the limit as x goes to infinity of negative 1 over x plus 3 divided by 2, which is less than or equal to the limit as x goes to infinity of 3x plus the sine of x divided by 2x less than or equal to the limit as x goes to infinity of 1 over x plus 3 divided by 2. And we can now take these infinite limits. This limit we know is going to be 0. This limit is going to be 0 as well. So we now have our limit in question bound between 3 halves and 3 halves. That requires or forces, by the squeeze theorem, the limit in question to be equal to 3 halves as well. So the limit as x goes to infinity of 3x plus the sine of x divided by 2x is equal to 3 halves. And again, it's a nice, slick application of both the squeeze theorem and our limit laws involving infinite limits.